Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we are making an Indian dish, another Indian dish, and this one is aloo gobi, which is aloo is potato and gobi means cauliflower. It's a potato cauliflower dish, and it is amazing in terms of flavor. It smells great, it tastes great, and it's an amazing explosion of flavors. And to all of my Indian friends, followers, subscribers, please let me know if I'm doing this the right way, if there's any way I can improve my Indian cooking, if I'm doing any mistakes or anything. Let me know, because I really love your cuisine and I'd love to learn more about it. So let's show you guys. To make the aloo gobi, here we have a medium onion, 2 medium tomatoes, some cauliflower, 2 medium potatoes, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and fennel seeds, 1 chili. You can use more if you want. And for our spices, of course, we have salt and pepper. And here we have 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of coriander powder, garam masala, and turmeric. This is a pinch of fenugreek leaves and some coriander to garnish everything at the end. So we have our pan heating up on medium heat, and now we're going to add the oil. Once the oil has heated up, we're going to add the cumin and fennel seeds, and we're going to saute those. And we're going to just let them saute until you hear the popping sound. So I've started hearing the faint popping sounds, and that means that they're ready. And now we can move on to our next step, which is to add in the onions. So we're going to saute them until they are nice and transparent. So the onion has started to turn transparent. Now we're going to add in the chilies, or the chili, and we're going to saute that alongside the onions as well. So after a couple minutes, we're going to add in the ginger garlic paste, and we're going to saute that until you don't smell the raw garlic smell anymore. So now we're going to add in the tomatoes, and we're going to saute that for a little bit. So now that the tomatoes have started to loosen up, we're going to add in the spices. So we're also going to be adding some salt and pepper. We're just going to mix and saute it until the tomatoes open up. So now that the tomatoes have opened up and have become mushy, and the masala has cooked, we're going to add in the potatoes and the cauliflower, and we're going to saute them all together. So now that we've mixed the potatoes and the cauliflower together, now we're just going to add 1.5 cups of water. And we're going to give it a gentle mix. And now we're going to let them cook for approximately 20 minutes, or until, like, you know, they're cooked. So it's been some 20-ish minutes and everything is cooked right now. So you just test this by, like, maybe poking a fork through it, and if it goes through, it's good. Make sure to test for salt as well. So now we're going to just take the fenugreek leaves, and for maximum aroma or flavor, just rub them against your palms like this. And just give it a gentle mix. And we're going to let that sit for 5 minutes, and then we can serve it. So this is what it looks like. We've served it once again in this nice, I don't even know how to describe it, but we've served it this way, and we've garnished it with some coriander. It smells amazing, and I really can't wait to try it. And we're serving it with some paratha. I feel like ideally it's roti, naan, chapati, or something like that, but this is what I have now, and I feel like this is better. It's better to eat it this way, so I can't wait to dig in. So let's just try it. The flavors are an explosion. It's an explosion of flavors going on in my mouth. The spices, you can taste the spices. It's not too spicy and it's not too salty, which is always my worry when I make when I cook something. It's something turning out too spicy or too salty. This is the perfect amount of spices and saltiness. And I am not really a cauliflower lover. I have very specific ways in eating cauliflower. I don't like the plain cauliflower, but this way of eating cauliflower is amazing. It's a great way to get people to eat vegetables if they don't like vegetables. Amazing. Highly recommend trying it, and it's super easy to make. It's not that complicated, so I highly recommend trying it. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me so you guys can support me to make more content. I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.